Hello, Jason Piskey with Reef Point Realty here. And right now, today, it is August 30th, 2021. I'm in San Diego, California, and I just want to give a quick update on the housing market so far that we've seen this year and what we expect it to do for the rest of the year. Now, anybody following real estate housing this year has certainly noticed that the pricing has gone through the roof. For lack of a better term, we've seen double-digit increases in equity for every quarter so far this year, and it seems like there's just a lack of supply of houses. And the fact is it's not that there's a lack of supply. There is, but the demand is so strong that it seems like there are no houses to be had. The truth of the matter is there are still houses out there, but there's just so many people that want to buy because the interest rates have been so low that it's driven the prices up. And I get a lot of people that talk to me that say, oh, well, now the houses aren't affordable. And while that may also seem to be true because the prices have gone up, the truth is actually when you factor in inflation, the pricing and the affordability today is still less than it was in the entire 30-year period from 1975 to 2005. So I guess what I'm getting at is if you are a buyer and you're thinking about maybe getting out of the market because you just haven't been able to find that right home, or you keep getting outbid, or prices just seem to be going too high and you're afraid, I can understand and I can appreciate that. However, the truth is that if you keep going, it's still a better option to always own real estate than it is to rent, because the rents are going to continue to go up and you're now missing out on all of that equity that all the home buyers are gaining. So if you buy a home, you'll be able to take advantage of that continued growth in equity, whether you stay in the home for 3 to 5 years or you stay longer. Again, it's not always finding that perfect home, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. You may need to look at or consider a condo or a townhome. You may have to look in a little bit different area. You may have to give up on a few of those things that you really, really, really wanted, or thought that you wanted, in order to be able to get into the home, and then look at moving in 3 to 5 years and taking that equity and putting that into a new home, and you can move up into a better home. If you rent that same time frame, you're not going to have that equity, and all of that money is going to waste. So when I mentioned double-digit increases in equity in every major market in the United States, we're looking at, if you consider a $400,000 home, even just a 10% increase is $40,000 in a year. If you are renting, are you going to be able to save $40,000 the same way you could with buying a home? So just some things to think about. Again, it's still a strong seller's market out there. We are seeing that some of the buyers are giving up, and that's why I'm making this video, is to try and encourage those of you that are maybe thinking of continuing to rent and not buying to maybe give it a second thought. If you have any questions, I'd love to help. Again, my name is Jason Piskey. I'm with Reef Point Realty, and I thank you for your time.